Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. On today's episode of Healthy with Benna, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I make this gluten-free low carb pizza from almond flour. Guys, this pizza is delicious. I love pizza because you get to choose whichever toppings you want, and if you're on a diet or looking to really lose some weight, this is the option for you. It tastes so good, it is so easy to put together. Please stick around and we will jump right into the recipe. Going to walk you through the ingredients we need to make our pizza crust before we can move on to our topping. So for the crust, we need almond flour, of course. I have here some almond flour blanched. I have some eggs right there. I have some spice blend now, some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, some salt, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is totally optional, guys. I just wanted a little bit kicking in there. If you want to go for any of these blends, I would recommend you go for the garlic powder and the onion powder and your pinch of salt. I have some extra virgin olive oil. Now in this recipe I don't use butter, I use extra virgin olive oil just because, you know, we want it to be as close to our pizza dough as possible. I have here some baking powder and some xanthan gum for binding. Now let's put all of this together. So to start, I'm going to go in with our dry ingredients and combine them. So I have my baking powder and my xanthan gum. I'll pour it in there. The spice blend. I'm just going to mix this all properly until it combines. Showing my face, so yeah. So I'm going to set this aside, and next I'll go in with our wet ingredients. So I have my eggs right here. I'm going to add my olive oil to that. I'll go ahead and combine the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I'll mix this all properly. Set this aside. So our dough has properly combined, guys. I'm just going to transfer it onto my parchment paper. Now, if you've watched my other videos working with almond flour, I use parchment paper a lot. So I have it on my board right here with parchment paper, and I also have another one. I'm going to use it just to flatten the dough. Now, I am not going to, once you have your dough all worked up, you don't need to, I'll just transfer it from this paper right here into my baking pan, because you can't take out, because almond flour is very complicated working with it. So once we have it all flattened up, I'm just going to transfer it into the baking pan from this parchment paper directly. So here I'll work it up into your desired shape. Okay, so guys, as you flatten it up, once it's all flattened, just make sure you use your fingers to just work the corner, the ends of the dough. Just make sure that it is like, yeah, just smooth on the ends, just like this. And I think this looks good right now as it is. I'm just going to slide it into the baking pan. So I have my baking pan right here. I'm just going to slide it in. And I already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. So I'm going to put it into the oven to bake. Should take about 8 minutes. Now you don't want to over bake it because then it's going to be too dry. You just want it to be, you know, cooked a little bit, bake it a little bit for like 8 to 10 minutes, and then I will show you how it looks like and we can proceed to top it up. So while our crust is in the oven baking lightly, I'm just going to run you through the toppings for our pizza. So I have here some shredded mozzarella cheese. I have some chicken breast right here. This is just some leftover chicken breast I had in the fridge. My pizza sauce right here. I'm going to be using some spinach, and I also have here some bacon, some cooked bacon that I just cooked. This is some light, really low sodium bacon. It's very important if you're buying your bacon. It's good to always check the sodium inside. This one had like 6% for 2 slices of bacon. So also very important here, guys, is that we are not going to overload our crust because this is almond flour once more we're working with. So you want to make sure that you stay clear from vegetables that extract a lot of water, like zucchinis, tomatoes. Those vegetables have a lot of water and it's not going to work very well with our crust. So, and also with the sauce, you don't want to put too much. I will check on the crust right now and we can proceed with the toppings. So guys, our crust is out of the oven. It baked for about 10 minutes. You can see how it looks like. This is how the under looks like. It's pretty hard, but I'm going to be very careful with it. So I'll let it cool down for about 5 minutes and then we can proceed with the toppings. So our crust has cooled down. I'm just going to proceed with the toppings. I'll start first with the pizza sauce. Just going to go. Next, I'll go in with the cheese. Next, I'll go in with some spinach leaves. I'm not going to put too much spinach leaves. I just want some vegetables in here, guys. You can also do like red bell peppers or green. Yeah. Next, I'll go in with our bacon. Some chicken breast. So guys, I'm just going to slide this right back into the oven until the cheese melts, and then our pizza will be ready to be served. So I will come back and show you how it looks like once it comes out of the oven. So guys, our pizza is out of the oven. As you can see, it looks beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm just going to let this cool down completely, and then we will proceed to cut it up into our... Our pizza is ready to be served. I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it up. It smells so good. I really love the smell of baked almond. I cannot wait. I just cannot wait to take a bite. It smells good. It looks so gorgeous. Now guys, this is the end of this video, and if you liked it, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel and support the Healthy with Bena family so that we can continue to grow as a family and encourage each other in this healthy journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe, and bye.